Hey guys, back here again for another quick unboxing. I got these Mafate Speed 2s, Hokas, in the Starlight Gray, Galactic Gray color. So let's check these out. Comes with extra pair of shoelaces. So I wanted to get another pair of Hokas just because they're super comfortable shoes. And I wanted to find another everyday shoe that I could wear, and I came across these. I'm starting to like that kind of metallic look in shoes. And these, I feel like, could match, pretty much anything. You could wear jeans with them. You could wear some khakis or some joggers. And check out the material there. These shoes are definitely weatherproof. Let's check the back. Pull tab. The logo there. Definitely a lot of different kinds of material on this shoe. So this is kind of like a plastic feel right here. And it has that weatherproof material here. What a cool design. Got the premium laces over there. Look at that. Even has a logo all over the sole. Those little details. Here's the bottom. I feel like these shoes would probably match well with these other shoes that I got here. Check these out. Going through this metallic material design. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.